So, Jamaica's government is selling off the rest of its shares in TransJamaican Highway. But will this drive the share price up or down? I'm Kalilah, Reynolds, founder and CEO of Money Media, Money Made Simple.
The government will very soon be divesting its 20% shareholding in TransJamaican Highway Limited, held through the National Road Operating and Construction Company, NROC. This will be undertaken through a public offer for sale.
That was Prime Minister Andrew Holness making the announcement. And that public offer basically means they're doing another IPO or APO, whatever you want to call it, because this time it's NROC selling its shares and it's the first time they're selling. So anyway, potato, it's a public offer through the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Now, if you think back to 2020, TJH's IPO was a massive success. The government raised over $14 billion and thousands of new investors were introduced to the market. It was one of the biggest IPOs in Jamaica's history. The IPO price, this is important, was $1.41. It's now over $4 and even came very close to hitting $5 in the past year. They're also one of the best dividend-paying stocks. But while a lot of people are excited about these new shares hitting the market, some people are also worried. Will adding all these new shares flood the market and drive down the price? We discussed it on Taking Stock.
While I do believe that TransJam continues to represent a compelling value proposition for investors seeking exposure to Jamaica's critical infrastructure, the returns will likely be more favorable to those who have been steadily investing and dollar cost averaging over time compared to those looking to enter now.
Translation, you'll get the best returns if you're a TJH OG. So, how has the market reacted so far? Well, TJH was at $4.31 when the PM made that announcement on January 21, and as I record this 10 days later, it's dipped 6% to $4.05. So, why are investors selling? Maybe they're anticipating a further price drop when the new shares hit, or maybe they're taking gains now so that they can buy it back for less later. Because you know APO prices are usually lower than the listed price, but we don't know yet what the share price will be on the new offer. But I do anticipate that the government will be pouring a lot of resources into marketing this offer like they did the first time around. This could bring a lot of brand new investors to the market, possibly in the thousands like we saw in 2020. And that will mean increased demand, which could drive the share price up. This makes the new TJH offer one to watch for 2025. And that's the bottom line. Make sure you follow our business page at Money Media JA. I'll be posting a lot more over there this year. And subscribe to our newsletter for all investment alerts. Go to getmoneynews.com for the link. It's also in my bio. Let's get this money.
Let's get this money.